unlisted. I have to make it public. Public, huh? Don't say anything, okay? I'll do a quick one. Hello, everybody. Hope you guys can hear me. So just to do a quick review, I did a little live today. I thought I'll not do live for a long time, but then decided to come live from today. So from now on, I'll try to be regular on live. So we'll try to make some more videos. Even I'll come live and I'll trade in front of you guys. So I mean, if you want to watch it, you can watch me. So I'll definitely try to come live pre-market and the market open, and then as long as I can trade with you guys, I'll do it. So this is the day today. It was a very bad day. I mean, just traded. I mean, no rules, nothing. So it was a difficult day for me. So just to share with you quickly and then just do a quick trade review. Don't want to make a video, just it's live. So I mean, watch it, with fast pace. That would be the best things to do. So like here is nothing to teach or anything. It's just my journey. I'm documenting it on YouTube. So if you want to see, you can see it. Like I'll show you my performance. You'll see my struggle. You'll see if I win. I'm not like a that much perfect trader. I'm a short scalper. So I take trade, quite a lot of trade in a day. So this is the learning phase. So I mean, it is not going to be perfect. That's what I'm trying to say. So don't like follow me like blindly. Just take it as an entertainment purpose only. But if you can learn something from here, learn it. Otherwise, I would say just it's just a discussion. Okay. This channel main purpose is to just share information with each other. That's it. This is my journey. I'm just showing it to you. So why I'm showing it? Because I think I was trying my best to not to show anybody and then try to do it myself. So I said, okay, now is the time. I know I face the demon. So I'll just show my struggle. So maybe hopefully you learn something from this as well, because I'm sure that everybody go through this kind of struggle. Trading is very hard. So yeah, talk less and let me give you a quick review. So this is my top step accounts. So I have three top step funded account XFA. So I had a big loss. So today I took it. I mean, it was just I mean, I'll show you where I took it. I mean, just it was no trading, simple as that. It was just kind of gambling. Anyways, so this is the top step. So first, how it started. I was trading my Lucid account. So look at this, how many accounts got breached. So three eval account was, I had quite a nice, truly speaking, I had quite a nice, I was almost there. Like, so this is the day today. You can see. So last month I traded 8 days and I actually was almost like 16, I mean 1600, I think. So today I was trying to pass it so quickly, like, couldn't show patience. All the patience I showed, today I basically ruined it. Anyways, this is the way it is. So I'll show you just a little bit. Like this one is another one. So same thing, same story. First day of the year, sorry, week, month. We couldn't come, like we couldn't do our discipline. So we are not disciplined enough to take this account to a funded accounts. Anyways, so this one was so I was copy trading basically three of them. So even the other one I'm showing you, same thing. So this one was I was copy trading. That's why three of them I was copy trading without my funding account. So these three now we failed. So yeah, we'll try to pass again. So I mean, it's not a difficult things. So I'll try to show discipline back again. So just to show you and put into document that these things happen today. So when these three accounts I lost it, then what happened? Like it just go to the next phase that you try to gain it back with your other things. So that at that point, so these are like classic mistakes. So then I went to my funded account and I started trading with this one. Same things because I was wrong, didn't accept it. So then basically blown this one as well within few minutes because it was no trade. I was just I was trying to gain what I lost it. So then traded the other one as well. So when I lost this one, traded this one. Luckily, I made some money here. I mean, you can see. But then I said, okay, I'm done. I was supposed to finish my day. But no, it doesn't happen like that, does it? So then I went to my top step account. So I mean, at that moment, you don't even think. Three account was linked on this one. You can see three funded account. So all of them I was copy trading and just gone over leverage. So that is the main purpose. If I didn't go over leverage, I would not be that it would not damage me that much. So the day was straightforward, but like it was just a little bit was consolidating because the market doesn't know what to do right now. They're waiting for news. So every news comes, then the market jump, and then after that they wait for the next move. So now everybody is expecting the war to finish. So Trump is supposed to be talking tonight. So yeah, that's the main things happen actually. So that's why the market was like that. So it was straightforward. So I mean, sorry, let me just go to my chart, then I can show you. Where is my chart? Yeah, this one. Let me show it here. So bear with my chart. Who know my channel, they know that I use fair value gap like this. So this is I prefer it. If you don't like it, don't do it because I can see my fair value gaps better. That's why I actually check it like that. So anyways, the day started here. So let me go there. So this is 1 minute chart, okay? So 9:30 opening was there, just there. And then they came down to take some liquidity and they went high. So this is the area they came. So this is the news candle. Technically, I think I need to make it small, otherwise I'll not understand. So if I show you from the 15 minutes, so 15 minutes was basically 9:30 open here. And this is the Judah swing, they did it. So they came to this little gap. I even marked it, that gap, but didn't see it today because I was tired maybe somehow. So this was the area. So this last gap, this from this leg, this is the breakaway gap. It was when they went high. So they taken out liquidity, then they basically came back to trade this one. So this 9:30 open, and this is the Judah swing. They've taken out the liquidity from the previous candle low, and then they given us they went high. So this is, and then they came back to trade back again to 9:30. So let me show you quickly. So let's see. Yeah. So this is the 15 minutes gap. So 9:30 open, it came back to 15 minutes gap and they went up. So then they created, this is the first presented fair value gap after 9:30. Oh, why is not selecting? I don't know. Yeah, so this is the first presented fair value gap after 9:30. So they came back, closed there, I mean, they're trying to confuse the people. So here was the area I was trading from here. I don't know what I was doing. One time I was shorting, one time I was buying, but it was like slowly grinding up. It was very high resistance liquidity round. So then they taken out this high, then they later on taken out. They made it like a double. Here as well, it was difficult to trade. I mean, if you check it, like it's like practically 10 o'clock was exactly here. So this is 10 o'clock. It was understandable that they didn't take out the low, so they were this place 10 o'clock. So then after that, I mean, they're supposed to like either this was 50-50 basically. So this is the 10 o'clock, but it would either take this low or this high. So that was the tricks. But from here to trade like this to short, long, it was not that smart. So because the price was actually on the top of 930 at the time. So then they were already on the top of a fast presented fair value gap. They're already bouncing from the 15 minutes gap. So they never came back. So I mean, and there was like a little SMT as well. You can see from here. Maybe if we check it with ES. Yeah, this is the SMT as well. So I mean, like everything was I mean positive to like go up. Anyways, this was very difficult pricing. I shouldn't have traded as anyways, this is what it is. So what happened. So you have to forget about it. So the price was 10 o'clock, was on the top of uh, the fast presented gap. Then they basically went high. So I'm just saying, like, because I there is no point of I'm now saying those things because it's already, the price actually did what it did. So from there, they basically around 10:30, they basically came back, traded the 8:30 price, and then they created another gap and they went high, slowly grinding higher, higher, higher. So if you check it, like, from I don't know which one is this one, let's say this is the NQN. So I want to show you one thing, like, what happened. Like, so this high, E has taken it, and similar this high, NQ couldn't take it. So this was happened. So after that, this is the, I mean, like, they have to wait for what Trump gonna say. So this is the day today. So now at the end, what happened? So they reached here. What is this area? Let me just a little bit clear it to you. This is 15 minutes chart. Okay. So 15 minutes chart. If you go this side, so this leg, so this gap they reached actually. It's a significant gap actually. Never been traded. So when they fallen on that day, so they created one gap, two gaps. So this is the second gap. They normally the second gap they trade and then they go down. So this gap never been traded. So this gap was never been traded. So it's just marked it. I mean, it's hindsight, but still, I mean, you have to find something to trade. So at that time when the price reached there, you can see that E has taken out this daily high. So that was the logic at 1:30. So after 1 o'clock, they basically here. So this one reached it there, 1 o'clock, they broke down, and then they'd given this retracement, and then they're waiting. But still now they bounce back from the 9:30. So at the end, these things happen after 1 o'clock. This is the evening reversal. So this is the day today. Hopefully tomorrow we can understand better. We can see things better. I mean, there is nothing I can do today. I try to recover it, but if I try to recover, I'll do more harm. So from tomorrow, we'll try to do. I'll try to do my slowly because I take quite a lot of trade. I'm telling you from before, so that's why I didn't want it to come live. So if I come live, if I take small trade, I mean, you don't follow me like that because you follow what is logical to you, and you hold trade. I don't hold trade that much. I little bit gather up, and then I mean, I can hold it. But normally I trade like that, but hopefully I'll learn how to hold trade as well. So let's see how it works from tomorrow. So this is the day today. Hope to have a better day tomorrow. So this is the area I was trying to trade as well. So just to show you quickly. So when they reach this 15 minutes gap, what they did, let's say, look here. So this is the 130. So then they were like consolidating. So then they kind of broke down 130 open, then the market started moving. So then they created the gap. If you see the fast presented gap after 130, this is the fast presented gap. They later on came back here, and from there they broke down to where? To the I was expecting it to come to the fast presented gap, but they didn't because this was the significant 15 minutes low. If you go there, you'll see it. So when the run started, basically, look here. So after 10, they taken out this liquidity from this candle here, and then they came down. This is the swing. So this low was a very nice, Judah swing. It was there. So that's what they taken out here. If you check it with this low, so they taken out this low basically, and they're waiting for Trump to say something. I'm not sure that tomorrow what's gonna happen, but tomorrow if I'm still bearish, I'm not bullish. So if you ask me like what I'm expecting, I'll look for lower price. But if they go up to take out some liquidity from the top, it would be good, but I don't think they could do that. They might fall from here. Or if they go up, we'll see. If they go up and try to trade this new week opening gap, and then we'll see accordingly. But normally, another things, I think I talked about before as well. Lots of people maybe was not noticing. So if you ask me like, oh, what is your plan? Not plan, like, how the thing should work. So this is the weekly open. So this was Monday's price action. Tuesday, they did the manipulation. They taken out the low of Monday. They waited there. Wednesday, they created here. And now the question is that tomorrow, Thursday, will they take out Wednesday's high and some kind of like loss of liquidity here? Can you see? So will they take out that high and they broke down, or they're gonna come down to trade this area and then they go high? That's the question. So tomorrow we'll see, because there is no point of now predicting. But normally the weekly profile, if it is like Monday, they make accumulation. Tuesday they take manipulation, they do, or Wednesday. So if it is a Tuesday manipulation there, the market could go higher. So, or if we now say, okay, Wednesday manipulation day, and they can take this, they can go high and then take all this liquidity and broke down. We'll see, because tomorrow there are news as well. So that's all for today. And hopefully I'll talk to you tomorrow, and I'll try to come live a little bit pre-market, and then we'll take it to a market open, and then as soon as we get something or we have loss or profit, I don't know, I'll just close my chart and I'll do other things. So hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. So good luck. Don't burn yourself in this market. Is very, very difficult market, but it's tradable if you are disciplined and focused. Like that's what I need to practice from now on again. Hope to see you again tomorrow, and another day with another video. Take care, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.